Ti amo. God, how I love you so. My heart just won't let go. Day after day, I'm still